Whoa, got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Charlie's Custom Clones. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. So first up are two Mil-Spec Teardrop Forward Assist Assembly Retro. So let's go ahead. And these look like they came from LUTH-AR. Nice. So I'm not going to take them out of the bag because I don't want to lose anything in this room. So here you can see the teardrop style of forward assist button. The continuation of it here with the drag edge. We got a pin that should drop down through the hole right there. And we got the spring which runs along that shaft there. So we got two of these LUTH-AR teardrop forward assist assemblies. Next up we have an A.R.M.S, A.R.M.S number 40L low profile flip up rear sight, backup iron sight. So utilize the same well-proven concept as the rear sight on the Swan sleeve system. The initial elevation 0 utilizes the standard M16 M4 front sight bead. A.R.M.S Inc. You see the Swan logo right there. And it's kind of wrapped up in here. So let's see if we can cut this out of here. See if I can do a pinch cut. So here's actually instructions. And the component itself. Very nice. This is the 0.75 MOA. They do come with different options. And there's the mechanism there. I think so if you notice, it's on the retention wire. And I'm just going to see about this positioning here. Okay, neck drops out. And this is your lock right here to lock it back into place. All right. So, A.R.M.S 40L. And then we got some merch here. We got a coaster. Charlie's Custom Clones. Thanks for choosing. Tell us how we did. QR code. And A.R.M.S Inc. that came with this. Interesting. So these all came from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mil-Spec tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series of book review media reviews and another series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.